Namaste friends, my name is Dr. Dinesh. Today I will be doing a practical of preparing low potencies of homeopathy in the clinic or home. It is quite difficult to find low potencies of homeopathy in the pharmacy. They are usually flooded with 30, 200, 1M, 10M and like that. The pharmacies lack 1x, 2x, 3x, 6x potencies or 1C, 2C, but it is very easy to prepare these potencies in the clinic. Before starting practical, I will urge you to subscribe my channel for more such videos. So let's start the practical. I will be preparing potency of Thuja. I have a Thuja mother tincture. So first we'll prepare potency 1x, then 2x, 3x like that. So to prepare 1x potency, we have to take 1 part of crude substance and 9 part of alcohol. So this is an empty glass bottle. I will be adding 1 part of Thuja mother tincture. So I have put 1 drop of Thuja in this bottle. I will be adding 9 part of alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I have added 9 part of alcohol and 1 part of Thuja mother tincture. I will be giving 10 succussion to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. So this is 1x potency. Now from this 1x potency, when I will add 1 drop or 1 part to this bottle and again 9 part of alcohol, when I will give 10 succussion to this, so it will be 2x potency. From this, when I will take 1 part and add to another bottle, repeating same procedure, 1 part of substance and 9 part of alcohol and giving 10 succussion, this will produce 3x. So in this way we can prepare 4x, 5x, 6x. Usually in the practice we require 6x and 12x potencies. So I have explained how to prepare 1x, 2x, 3x, and you can do the same potency in the clinic. Now let's move to the centesimal scale. In the centesimal scale, we have to take 1 part of crude substance and 99 part of alcohol. The procedure is same, just we have to increase the amount of alcohol in this preparation. So we'll be taking, this is empty bottle. I will take 1 part of this Thuja mother tincture. So I have added 1 part. Now when I will add 99 part, I will be not doing it but just explaining you. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. In this way, let's assume that I have added 99 part of alcohol in this. Now when I will give 10 succussion to this, so this will be 1C potency. From this 1C potency, when I will add 1 part to this fresh bottle and 99 part of alcohol and repeat the same procedure, this will be 2C potency. From this 2C potency, when I will take 1 part and in the fresh bottle and add 99 part of alcohol and give 10 succussion to this, so this will be 3C potency. In this way we can prepare 4C, 5C, 6C like that in the clinic or home. I will be repeating it for you again. In the decimal scale, we have to take 1 part of crude substance and 9 part of alcohol and succuss it. While preparing centesimal scale, we have to take 1 part of crude substance mother tincture. So in centesimal scale, we have to take 1 part of crude substance and 99 part of alcohol. So friends, this was my attempt to explain how to prepare low potencies in the clinic. I hope you like this. If you really like this, please hit a like button. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe it. Thank you for watching my videos. Bye bye. Thank you.